Just drove up here to Hood River yesterday, staying with some family friends for the next couple days, and tomorrow my plan is to meet up with my friend Andrew, who I stayed with about a month and a half ago. You may remember him from one of the episodes a while back. But we're gonna do a very early sunrise hike tomorrow morning around Mount Hood. I've never done it before, he has. Apparently sunrise is supposed to be good, so we'll see what happens. Gonna be waking up at around 3 o'clock and heading out of here. Getting going now. Got about 45 minutes to get to the trailhead. It's pretty cold outside, but pretty excited for this little hike here. Should be a good one. We're in the middle of the hike now with Andrew, his friend John.
He's not your friend too?
He's not, oh.
You guys have been hiking together for like 45 minutes.
How much further do we have to the top?
Maybe like another hour? Yeah, we're ahead of schedule actually.
I'm gonna sit in some of the snow, dude.
There's snow out, and I'm in a t-shirt. Cause I'm tough as nails. I'm delirious.
How you doing, John?
So, dude, I'm picking up the back.
Still says saw dude. 2018, kids still saying saw dude.
He's funny because he's like obnoxious.
We're just making it up to the top now. Yeah, the clouds to the east are looking really pink.
Fuck your ass, we're here. Hey guys, it's Andrew. So we made it to, I can't talk. Okay. So hey guys, we made it to the top of TDH Mountain. Holy cow, it is beautiful up here. Got an epic view of the mountain, and there's already so much color just surrounding us. I don't know if the camera's picking it up now, but it is just beautiful, and we're super stoked to be up here. And yeah, follow andrew.studer.
Got everything set up here, going with the wide angle lens. Got a nice composition looking through the trees at Mount Hood. Settings right now are ISO 100, 2.5 second shutter and f8, so bring down the ISO, reduce the noise. Using a pretty small aperture to keep the image as sharp as I can, and the shutter speed I'm probably gonna have to shorten as it gets lighter, but that's the idea. Just gotta wait for some color now. It's really starting to get going back there. Looking pretty awesome.
My name is Andrew Studer, and this is the 20th Century Fox theme song. Ready? Ba 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 da 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 da. I'm really tired. All right, so we just wrapped up a pretty successful morning of shooting.
Wait, I didn't get you.
Okay.
Sound.
So Garrett here had this idea to do like this slap transition, and it failed. It failed. And if this doesn't make the cut, I'm gonna be pissed.
Oh, no one's gonna know because it's not gonna make the cut.
Headed down now. I think we're all just gonna go drive into Portland, spend the afternoon doing some editing at Andrew's house, also take a nap.
The hell yeah! Woo!
Just heading home now. Very tired, but it's been a good day of photography today, and can't wait to go and edit the photos and throw this video together. Just gonna be spending a few more days in Hood River, hopefully go out on at least one more adventure before I go home for Thanksgiving. So thanks so much for watching this episode, and I'll catch you guys